Good day mga anak! So for today, your lesson is evaluating functions. So finding the value of x for most of the students is what mathematics is all about. Sometimes it seems to be a joke for the students to evaluate an expression. Like what is shown in this illustration. We have to find x. So most of the students, ang sagot sa akin, ma'am, ito po si x. If you want to learn how to find the value of x, well then, just watch and listen to our discussion. Before we begin, let's go back to the time when you first encountered how to evaluate expressions. So given the following expressions, find its value if x is equals to 3. So let us have this expression, x minus 9. We have learned that in an algebraic expressions, letters can stand for numbers. And to find the value of the expression, there are two things that you have to do. So our first step is to replace each letter in the expression with the assigned value. Since the assigned value is 3, we have to replace each letter, which is x, to the assigned value. So it will become 3 minus 9. So ano ang nangyari mga anak? We substitute positive 3 to the value of x in the given expression. And then, the next step is to perform the operation in the given expression using the correct order of operation. Since in the given expression, the operation is subtraction. So we have to subtract 3 minus 9. So 3 minus 9 is equal to negative 6. So x minus 9 is equals to negative 6 if the value of x is positive 3. So again mga anak, the two steps to be followed is to replace each letter in the given expression with the assigned value, and then the next step is to perform the operation in the expression using the correct order of operation. Let us proceed with the next example. Our next example is 3x plus 7. So again mga anak, our first step is to replace each letter in the expression with the assigned value. Our assigned value is positive 3. We have to substitute positive 3 to x in the given expression. So we will have 3 multiplied by 3 plus 7. So as you have noticed, napalitan na ng positive 3 si x. Next, our second step is to perform the operations in the given expression using the correct order of operation. So once you've substituted the value for the letter, do the operations to find the value of the expression. Don't forget to use the correct order of operation. First, do any operation involving exponents, then do multiplication and division, and finally, do addition and subtraction. In this given expression, ang uunahin natin ay si multiplication. So, we have to multiply. So, 3 multiplied by 3, we have 9. Plus 7. Then, we can now proceed with the addition. 9 plus 7 is 16. So, therefore, 3x plus 7, if x is positive 3, that is equal to positive 16. Next example, we have x squared plus 4x minus 10. So given this expression, let us find its value if the value of x is positive 3. Again, our first step is to replace each letter in the expression with the assigned value, which is positive 3. So we will now have 3 squared plus 4 multiplied by 3 minus 10. And then our next step is to perform the operation in the expression using the correct order of operation. Since as you have noticed sa ating expression, meron tayong naka-raise sa exponent. So, meron din tayong naka-parenthesis. We have the multiplication. And then, the operation which is addition and subtraction. So, sa tingin nyo mga anak, ano ang uunahin natin? Ang uunahin natin dito sa expression na to is 2 raise 3 to second power. Since dapat nauuna po yung ating operation involving exponents. So, what is 3 squared? 3 squared is 9 plus 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. Then minus 10. We can now finally do the addition and subtraction. So 9 plus 12 is 21. Then we have 21 minus 10 is 11. So the answer is 11. So the value of the expression x squared plus 4x minus 10 if x is equals to 3 is 11. For the next example, we have 2x squared minus 6x plus 26. So again, our first step is to replace each letter in the expression with the assigned value, which is positive 3. So we will now have 2 multiplied by 3 quantity squared minus 6 multiplied by 3 plus 26. Next step is to perform the operation in the expression using the correct order of operation. So we will now have 2 multiplied by 3 squared is 9 minus 6 multiplied by 3 is 18 plus 26. Then we will have 2 multiplied by 9 is 18 minus 18 plus 26. So we can now proceed with the addition and subtraction. Now 18 minus 18 is 0 plus 26. So the answer is 26. So in the expression 2x squared minus 6x plus 26, if the value of x is positive 3, its value is positive 26. For our last example, we have 3x cubed minus 6. So again, for sure na master nyo na yung procedure natin or yung steps to follow. Again, the first step is to replace each letter in the expression with the assigned value, which is positive 3. So we will have 3 multiplied by 3 quantity cube minus 6. Next step is to perform the operation in the expression using the correct order of operation. So we have 3 multiplied by 3 cube is 27 minus 6. So 3 multiplied by 27 is 81 minus 6. So 81 minus 6 is 75. So therefore, the value of this expression when the value of x is positive 3 is 75.